There it goes. I knew they were gonna sound the sirens. This storm had history of a tornado warning over by Monroe, Wisconsin. That's west of us, and I knew they were gonna sound the sirens. Look, it's so dark that that light over there is on. Yeah, I'm glad we held off to go to Menards. It's not even windy as bad. What you doing right now, Malachi? I don't like lightning and thunder a little bit. But my air is on, so. Wow. This is the second time this year we got placed under a tornado warning. We got placed under a tornado warning back in March. Or not March, May. May 23rd, I think. Yeah, May 23rd, we got placed under a tornado warning because it was a supercell right outside of Beloit, and this is now the second time. I knew this was going to be an active year. There goes the sirens turning off. Wow. Oh, they just sound the sirens. They just turned back on. Yeah, I think they turned it back on because they weren't really on for 5 minutes. They were on for... Now we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. We weren't under nothing when the storm was rolling in. I was just watching the La Plata, Missouri live stream, and there was a severe storm going past there, so I was watching it. Oh, there it goes. Sorry if I talked a lot this video, but yeah, I was geeked. I knew there was a tornado warning coming in this storm. Look at this rain. Ooh. I'm going now. Get a few more. Alright, going in.